I've asked David Nahmias here to introduce our next speaker. Good morning, everyone, and thank you all for coming. But when Chief Justice Leah Sears notified me of her intention to step down from the Supreme Court of Georgia, we began that search looking for a person with, first of all, a great legal mind. A judge has to know the law. They have to have a passion for the intellectual curiosity about the law, and an impressive track record, a record of having demonstrated that passion. And even beyond that intellectual, cerebral component, it had to be someone who could fill that position that just exuded the integrity, the passion for justice, and the strict adherence to the law as it is written and as it is constructed by the legislature. And after an extensive process with those criteria in mind, you recognize the gentleman to my left, and I'm extremely proud and pleased to appoint United States Attorney David Nahmias to the position of Justice of the Supreme Court of Georgia.
Thank you, Governor Perdue. I am deeply honored and humbled today by your selection of me to serve as a justice on the Supreme Court of Georgia. It is a position that is so important to protecting the rule of law and the democratic system of government in our state. Decisions by the Supreme Court that properly apply the laws as they're enacted through the democratic process are vital to preserving the safety and prosperity of all of our citizens. I have big shoes to fill following Chief Justice Sears, and I realize that I will have much to learn as I join the work of the court with the distinguished justices who continue to serve. But I'm reassured in taking on those new challenges by the confidence that the governor has shown in me today. I want to thank my wife, Kathy, who has supported me in this and in my past public service, and my two sons, Stephen and Michael, who remind me every day of the importance of keeping our state safe and prosperous. My parents are immigrants who came to the United States from Egypt and Germany after the Second World War with almost nothing. And they moved here to Atlanta in 1964, and I was born a few months later. And the fact that I will be able to serve as a justice on the highest court in this state is proof, once again, of the remarkable opportunities that this state and this country provide. My mission on the court will be to protect the rule of law and equal justice for all, which I believe are the bedrock upon which all those opportunities are built. Thank you again, Governor.
Thank you. Okay.